Flamingos. Of all the birds in the world, one has a leg up on the rest. Truly, they are tickled pink about it. Can you guess which type of bird we are going to talk about today? If you guessed flamingos, you are correct. Would you be surprised to learn that flamingos are not born pink? Baby flamingos are actually born with soft white feathers. Their color comes from the reddish and pink pigments in the food they eat. And unlike their parents, baby flamingos have straight bills. They will begin to curl downward into the iconic flamingo shape as they grow. Parent flamingos can actually identify their babies by the sounds of their voices. This is pretty cool, as well as helpful, because flamingos are super social. Babies start leaving their parents and forming groups with other flamingos when they are as young as 5 days old. But they still need their parents to help them eat, though. The parent flamingos feed their young with a fluid produced by their digestive juices, which admittedly sounds a little gross. Gotta love nature, right? Eventually, flamingos develop a diet of shrimp, snails, small fish, and algae. The algae, shrimp, and other small crustaceans have a substance called carotenoids in them. This is the special ingredient that turns flamingos from white and gray to a vibrant pink. Want to know something else that may surprise you? Flamingos are actually excellent flyers. Seriously, they can be spotted as far away as 54 miles from shore, searching for their favorite foods. If you were to guess how many species of flamingos there are, what would you say? There are 6 known species of flamingos, located everywhere from the United States to parts of India and Africa, the Middle East, Southern Europe, and the Galapagos Islands. Another interesting fact about flamingos is that they are essential to the environment. They are bioindicators, which means that scientists use them to determine whether or not an ecosystem is healthy. Wow, we have learned some fascinating facts about flamingos. Let's review. True or false? Flamingos are not pink in color when they are born. True. They are actually white. How do parent flamingos identify their babies? By their voices. Fill in the blank. There are blank known species of flamingos. 6. Fabulous job, flamingo experts! You get a one-legged standing ovation. Thanks for learning with us today. What is something new that you learned that you didn't already know? Don't forget to share your new knowledge with your friends. See you next time.
Hope you had fun learning with us. Visit us at learnbright.org for thousands of free resources and turnkey solutions for teachers and homeschoolers.